my favorite would be the corned beef. Whenever I go shopping, I always pick up the Grace product.
This year, the good food people at GraceKennedy celebrate 90 years. Over those years, Grace has brought you many convenient packaged foods that are ideal for your busy way of life today. Now, Creative Cooking presents the GraceKennedy 90th Anniversary Series, showing you fun and interesting new ways to prepare some of your favorite Grace products. Today, we showcase Grace Corned Beef.
Hello viewers, today we are sharing with you the Grace Corned Beef. Our Grace Corned Beef is a grade A corned beef of the highest quality. Most of you would know the Grace Corned Beef with plain rice and mixed vegetables, pasta, potatoes and bread. Our featured recipe today is Grace Corned Beef Lasagna and Callaloo. I'm being ably assisted by Maisie. The first step of the process is the white sauce. So here I'm going to be putting the Grace Hello margarine in the pot. Then we're going to be putting a little flour, stir it for about a minute or two. Then we're going to be putting the milk, stir again, and then put the rest of the milk. Alright, so we're going to stir again for about 2 or 3 minutes until the white sauce thickens. Then we're going to put in a little bit of scallion or garlic, chopped up garlic. And why don't we put some onion?
The sauce is really very smooth.
Yes, very nice and thick. A bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. And let's stir again for a few minutes. So you see the sauce is getting nice and thick.
I'm smelling, the aroma coming from it. It really is good. Yeah?
Just a little bit. Yes. Okay, this is really nice now. The white sauce here is going to form the base of the lasagna. We're going to be doing the corned beef. I'm just going to throw a bit of vegetable oil. We're now going to saute. Here's the garlic. Then we're going to scallion. A little bit of onion. And what about a little thyme?
Yes. We need to have more people in the kitchen to smell what is really going on here.
Yes. And then we're going to throw in the corned beef now. My spoon and it around. Versatility of the Grace corned beef.
See the quality?
Yes. And then we're going to add the tomato paste. So this is going to add a nice flavor. And again, stir. This is our green scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. This is a new product launched by the Grace team. Just throw a little bit in there, not too hot.
Kind of very fiery, right?
Just a little bit, Yeah. All right. And then we're going to stir it in again. The next step is that we're going to use the fresh and ready Callaloo. But before, we have to throw a little sauté, the Callaloo, just a little bit in here. When they add the garlic,
Right.
you have to ensure that the oil is
Hot enough, the neighbors can smell what you're cooking.
Yes. Then we're going to put some onion. And why don't we just put the scallion in? And then we're going to put the Grace fresh and ready Callaloo. Very convenient packaging.
There's no excuse for not cooking callaloo, eh?
Yes, very convenient. This is actually processed at our St. Elizabeth Hounslow plant. And
The housewife will find this so convenient, eh?
Yes, absolutely. So we're now sauteing the Callaloo.
You can see the callaloo is premium quality.
And I bet you didn't know you could use a Grace cock soup mix in sauteing your Callaloo. Just throw it out, mix it in. Wow, this is fantastic. This is really delicious.
I hear you do a lot of cooking. Tell us about it.
When I have the time. As a child, I was taught by my grandma Fort to cook. So I enjoy. I find cooking very relaxing. I find cooking very relaxing. I love cooking Jamaican food. One of my favorite dishes to cook is actually pig stew. I love a good curry also.
So now that you have finished the sauce, the corned beef and the callaloo, you're ready to assemble?
We're ready to assemble. Okay. Let's spread it around a little bit. A little more. This is fine, eh?
That is fine.
Yeah, okay. And then we add the first layer.
Right.
First layer of the lasagna.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to pour all the corned beef on top of the lasagna.
It really looks good.
Yes, this corned beef smells great.
Okay.
And then we put more sauce on.
Yes. I can hold for you.
Okay. This is mozzarella and cheddar.
Right.
Alright.
I could even hold it for you.
I think that's enough, Maisie.
I could put a little more, I think.
Put a little more.
If you like cheese as much as I do.
Yeah. And then after this now, what about our callaloo? And then you spread it around. Spread it around. Lovely white sauce. Beautiful. Some more cheese. Yeah. Okay, so we have the mozzarella and cheddar cheese
Mix together.
mixed together.
Put your final layer of.
Final layer of the lasagna.
So you're actually using 3 layers.
3 layers of lasagna. So the first one, we started off with the white sauce,
Right.
the corned beef, and the callaloo. And remember to put the white sauce on the callaloo and the corned beef, and then a little cheese on top of the white sauce and the callaloo. Here's what you think.
Right. It looks very good. You only just need to press the layers down. Yes. Right,
Okay.
so we do.
All right.
And we just want to ensure that that is spread evenly on top.
Yeah. Spread it evenly around the white sauce. And then grate on the cheese. Evenly again. Alright, so we're going to get a little breadcrumb.
The breadcrumbs, you know, helps to give a lovely crust color.
Yes,
you know.
yeah. Okay.
And then you have paprika over there. Eh?
And the paprika. Yes, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
Almost.
Ready for the oven now, I think. I take it. Eh?
Alright, Maisie, can you help me to open the oven?
I certainly will help you, sir. The oven was preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake that for how long?
About an hour.
About an hour. But so Wehby, we need to speak to the facility at Hounslow, the service that is provided. Tell us about the range of products that comes to us from the factory.
Maisie, these products are actually doing very, very well. There are our shredded carrots, our chopped stir-fry mix, shredded cabbage. So for those who have a very busy lifestyle, schedule.
Like you.
This is so convenient, and it's produced right here in Jamaica. We are thinking that we can actually, as soon as the supply gets up, we can actually start exporting it. But this is really a fantastic innovation by the Grace team. And as the name says, fresh and ready.
Fresh and ready to use.
Fresh and ready, pre-washed.
Open the packet straight to the pot.
Straight to the pot. So convenient.
Here is the lasagna prepared ahead of time and then allowed to cool. It is important that it cools so that you are able to cut and see distinct layers.
Thank you very much, Maisie. Delicious.
But you know, here, Mr. Wehby, we're looking at lasagna using corned beef, but you did some other dishes using corned beef. Let us speak to them too. Corned beef balls with tomato sauce, and see we have arranged that on a skewer and served over rice, right? Using the same corned beef mixture, you did smaller corned beef balls. And these are perfect for entertaining, eh?
Of course.
Right. Tell us about the sauce you have in your hand.
And we have the new Grace sweet and spicy hot pepper sauce.
Right.
Yeah. And you can just dip it. Yeah. I have it in order.
Serve it there. Boy, I tell you, the sauce is
Very.
good. Chief Executive Officer in the kitchen, sir. It was a pleasure working with you in the kitchen, and when can we invite you to come again?
Anytime, Miss.
Anytime again.
Sometimes when I'm late from work, I just cook up some Grace corned beef with some white rice with my butter bean or my baked bean, and that's my dinner.
Also, with your crackers, it is very nice. I love it when it's cold. I just take it out of the fridge and slice it and eat it. It's good with just about anything.
Join us on Smile Jamaica next Monday morning, 7:35, for creative cooking. The Grace Kennedy 90th Anniversary Series. Don't miss it.